Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Whiskey's hair. Alright, let's get into the packaging. So first thing I'm seeing is my wig, which we're gonna get into. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got a branded elastic headband. I got a bonnet. Got a edge brush and comb. And also got a drawstring bag, which is perfect for storage. So let's get into today's wig. This is the wig. Oh my gosh, listen, yesterday when I get a wig from Whiskey's, I get excited. This company specializes in nothing but great quality. Nothing but great quality. All right, this is a glueless layered cut ocean wave wig with curtain bags. It's a ready to wear and go wig. Listen, it comes straight out of the box. So perfect. Super laid, like it's pre-cut, pre-plucked. All right, it's pre-styled. The texture of the wig is super soft and silky. It's voluminous. It's 250% in density, guys. Like, it is a dream. I love this. Okay, and they said it's a 5x7 curtain bang wig. Okay, I absolutely love it. It has quite a bit of space to work with. Like, literally, look at that. It's pre-bleached as well, and this is how the inside of the cap comes, with a adjustable elastic band, adjustable straps in the back, and combs. 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. This is perfection. All right, I know this is gonna be so good, and my beginners are gonna love this. Like, look at that. Bouncy and lovely. Listen, let's go ahead and jump into this quick and easy glueless beginner friendly installation. I don't need to use my hot comb on this or anything. The color is even so perfect. The color is literally like so perfect. Let me let you guys back up a little bit. Now there is a little bit of a cast in the front, so you guys know the drill. I always just go ahead and remove that. Oh my gosh, this lays like a dream. No baby hairs, no swoops needed. This looks so good. A good quality wig always make me get so excited. I'm just tapping out wherever I see any cast, you know, just making everything even more flawless. Guys, this, oh god, you guys know the drill. The direct link to this wig is in my description box, so please check down below. The specification. Whiskey's hair gets it. They really do. You know, they really do. Like, let's start the year off in fine style and quality. This is like jet black. This is gorgeous. I'm just gonna run my fingers through these curls, which are already done so perfectly. Like, this is so full. As I said, it's 250% in density. I'm gonna put the specific link down below, so feel free to go ahead and check it. But oh, it's so voluminous. Like, the wig is not giving wiggy, and it's voluminous at the same time. It's thick in the right places. So we're gonna amp up how the hair falls in the front, because you know this is a curtain bang wig, as I said. So oh, the more I run my hands through it, the fluffier it gets, which I absolutely love. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's stunning. That is stunning. Yes, absolutely love that. Absolutely love that. It's already so nice. Let me see something. No, yeah, I'm gonna recurl the front so that, you know, I can let it fall exactly how it should. I mean, you could leave it like this. It's perfect. It's a 10 out of 10. It is a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Like, they did their thing.
'Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. 'Cause you know we gon' fly. 'Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. 'Cause you know we gon' fly. 'Cause we be on a top floor.
So that's perfect. That is perfect. Okay. Yeah, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Yeah. That looks so good. Let me know what you guys think. I think they did their thing. Like, guys, that is it. It is perfection. It is perfection. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Like, who doesn't love a gorgeous? You did that. You did that, guys. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this in my description box. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love. It looks like, yo, with this you could do like a glamour girl shoot. It's giving Hollywood. It's giving magazine cover, you know. Yeah, this is, you have that top tier occasion, you pull this wig out for sure, for sure, no doubt about it. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Let me know how you guys like it. If you guys like this wig and how convenient it is, go ahead and give me a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. The direct link is down below, as I said. All the specifications, if there's any deal, any discount code, any sale going on, that is listed. Shout out to West Kiss Hair, because them angles it guan. I feel so good in this hair. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.